What's going on, YouTube? Fresh and Salty Johnny is back. We're at my favorite lake by my house. It's only like 7 minutes away. It's called Britton Lake. Been here before many times if you guys have been following me in the past. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do today. We're what are we tossing here? This is my arsenal that I brought today. My old 13 fishing spinning combo that caught my personal best largemouth 6-pound bass on second cast at Clear Lake. And then I have Pissy Fun Alloy M. You guys know I like this reel a lot. Carbon fiber handle, oversized grips, EJ foam grips. It's got a one-of-a-kind braking system, one-piece aluminum, all aluminum body. We got the good old SLX. I don't know why I slapped this on today. I didn't bring the fish finder. I don't really need the fish finder here because this is my local area, so I know where they're all at. But we got this beauty of a reel in the mail yesterday. Oh my geez. This is the Cast King Mega Jaws. They come in left and right and in 4 different gearing ratios. And then we got the good old Shimano SLX XT reel on the Shimano SLX rod. Pretty good. To be honest, I've only used this to toss my fish finder. So today we're gonna be fishing with it. And that's the lineup, guys. 1 spinner, 3 bait casters, 1 brand new one I haven't even used yet. Ooh, we hear the bass splashing. We need to get up out of there and into the zone. So aside from spinner bait, we're tossing big old swim baits today, boys. Well, they're not big. They're just swim baits. They're like average size. This one's pretty big. This one's like a freaking bluegill right here, a little baby bluegill. And then we got this one right here that we tried to catch stuff on last time. That one was expensive, dude. It's like $15 for that one. It's a Mock Shad 90. Better catch me something. All right. 2 hours later, we're finally rigged up. Just kidding, not 2 hours. 5 minutes. Put on some swim baits. Got a spinner. Oh my gosh. There's a big bass right there. Oh man, he's chilling. Really. There we go, got one. Yes. First one of the day, boys and girls. First one of the day. I just got here like 4 minutes ago. How we doing today, little Smalley? 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 No, you are a largie. You're just small. You're just tiny little guy. Open your mouth, dude. Open your mouth and show the camera what a little dinker you are. We'll put him back. Oh, we finally caught a fish on this guy. $17 bait or $15 lure or whatever the hell I paid. Finally. Finally. Can we get another one though? Can we get another one? Can we get uno más? Last time he hit it right away too. Pissed him off. big old bass out there slapping. I don't know if you could see it, but there's some bass right there. He's about a 2-pounder. Oh, there's more of them. Oh, the more deeper I look in there, there's way more. Look at him. See if I can get some to piss him off. Alright, we got a little spinner here on the brand new casting here. Let's see. Oh, one's following it. Where'd you go, baby girl? Oh, you're still down there. Okay. All right. If only I knew how to cast. Dude, all the smallies are under this bridge, or this dock. Dang, I'm not fooling any of these guys down here. I probably could see the road. Yeah, I went pretty far. What's the brakes at? 4? Under there. They probably migrated somewhere else. There's still this big old freaking bluegill around. Oh my god, I've never tossed anything this big. This is wood? Oh! Ah, I almost broke off my freaking brand new lure. This rod flexed so hard on that cast. I thought this was an extra heavy. What happened here? All right, well let's not flick it that hard. Let's put the brakes up a little bit too. Okay. We can't cast too far. Hey, let's see if anyone's home underneath the dock still. It's gonna be pretty funny. Yeah, there's no more line on here. I'm gonna have to re-spool this thing. I need to go back to regular. All right, here we go. Wow, this thing is so comfortable. Like the combo. Feels good. I do want to hook up to maybe another one underneath the dock with this one, the same one earlier. So let's give it the sauce. What was that? Where are they? Oh, there they are. I think so. I can't see them. I've never been over there to cast. Dang, water level's kind of up significantly. Wow, that means they're right there. All right, so we're gonna switch trailers. I don't think this trailer is any good. I'm gonna put a paddle tail on there. Please, rattlesnakes, do not be around, because I'm not trying to get bit. Right there. Oh my God, that's a huge crawfish. He's just chilling. He's like, don't mind me, you know? Don't mind me. He's still right there. Look at him. Boop. He's all scared. Here, grab on. Grab on to my rod, dude. Grab on, bro. Water level's a little high here. Man, am I gonna have to get in here? Get my feet wet. Get my feet wet. I'm supposed to be hardcore, right, guys? Hell to the no. I don't want to get wet today. Dang it. This is gonna suck. Where do I? Right here. Hoo-yah. Foo-yah. Foo-yah. That's the Uncle Roger cast right there. What's the brakes at? 7? Let's turn that down to 5. What was that? I'm snagged. Of course, it wouldn't be a day of fishing without a snag, right? Freaking hell. What's it snagged on? A rock? Probably a rock. Oh, no, 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 we're not doing that. We're not going full swimming today. Come on. I was really hoping to not get in the water today, but you know, that's how Britton goes. Rocky bottoms. Oh, dang it. Well, that was a pretty good catch. I only got like a little small portion of myself wet. Might be breaking some rules today, guys. It says no swimming right there. But, oh my gosh. I got it. I freaking got it. Well, now that we're like out here, might as well freaking give it a cast. That was anticlimactic, that cast. Bring it sharp. I can turn down the brakes a little bit more on this reel. Down to 4. Well, that's how you backlash properly. Fix this backlash. Boop, 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 boop. And I think we're almost done with it. No, not it all out. It's time to use a swim bait. The Mock Shad 90. I never realized how big this handle is. It's a pretty wide handle. Go along, snake, and leave me alone. Don't you bite me. Ow. Oh.